it's your favorite girl ZOESHAAA. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Sunday, March the 13th. We are starting a weekly vlog. I am picking up the camera this week and I am forcing myself to vlog. So we are starting today. You know, weekly vlogs start on Sunday. I hope you guys had an amazing week. Let me see. It's Sunday. What did I do today? Went and got some stuff to cook. I'm making curry goat and white rice for dinner today. Had to drop off something for one of my friends and wash, and I'm probably gonna do some cleaning in the kitchen and stuff like that. So I'm here right now editing a vlog because I have not posted. Today will make 2 weeks that I have not posted on my channel. I just took a little break. I didn't come out and say anything about it. I always take a lot of breaks, but I don't want it to be a thing. But I definitely wanted to kind of take a break from once the Jamaica vlogs were done being posted, just because I've been on the go and I just kind of needed to like woosah a little bit. So I'm good, I'm back. I miss YouTube, so I'm back. And yeah, so as I said, I'm here editing my birthday vlog, trying to get that to go up today. Hopefully it won't be too late by the time I'm finishing, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then I have to fold the clothes that I washed and stuff like that. So when I'm done, I will come back to you guys. And yeah, also have to find out something to do with my hair today. My brother-in-law is supposed to be coming to put up my to mount my TV for me. And yeah, so just a few little things. Hopefully my niece comes along with him, but I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, a few little things are going today, so take you guys along with me today. But yeah, again, comment down below, let me know how you guys are doing. It's been a while. Hope you guys are doing well. Miss know you guys miss me too, and miss me come back. Hey guys, so here we are later on in the evening. My hair is a whole complete mess. Brother-in-law didn't end up coming. His dad came to visit him, so we have to reschedule. But I'm here cooking same way. Here's my goats. I'm showing you better, right? I'm showing you. You know, some goat a bubble up, people. Jesus Christ, man. Yo, when girl good, you hey, me never married from looks, you know, people. Are the sweet things that we step on the phone. Me never married from some girl. Got some veggies, some steamed veg, and white rice, of course. And there's a lot of rice because I'm sharing up my lunch for the rest of the week. Girl, we cook one time over here and that's that, okay? But yeah. I'm about to pour myself a drink. So guys, I'm just gonna relax for a little bit. I have my clothes to go and fold and then start my hair. Hopefully by the time I'm done do everything in my room, everything finished and I can eat and then go sleep. But yeah, that's done. The Sunday duty's on. Love that for me. Came to get nasty. Y'all, Shensea's album came out on Friday. I need more ice. Shensea's album came out on Friday. Comment down below if you guys liked Alpha or if you guys listened to Alpha. If y'all listen to Alpha. If y'all liked Alpha, what your favorite songs are. Mine, X Anthem number one. We're playing for now, guys. That right now is literally number freaking one. Hold on. From me left you, me just a glow. My lifestyle changed me up, you know. Drunk girl, me on the top of the man, can't be this right. Not tight, any man me left, me no take back, me no recycle, yo. Me no recycle, garbage. But yeah, babe's calling, be right back. Hey guys, almost forgot that I was vlogging and I almost I forgot that today was daylight saving, so we sprung forward, which means we're closer to spring, which means we're closer to losing our winter jackets for those of us that are in Canada. Yeah, but I'm here working and also about to cut up some fruits for the week. But as of like the last couple weeks, like I've just been into chocolate covered strawberries. Like I don't know, I've just been craving them. I went to Philly. They had bought me some for my birthday. I ended up leaving it there. I think I only ate like 3 or 4 out of them. And then as I said, I came back and I've just been making them myself. So that's actually what I'm about to do. I'm about to make some chocolate covered strawberries. I have my chocolate chips in the microwave, and then I have a pineapple that I'm gonna cut as well. So yeah, I'll see if I can take you guys along the process with me. If not, I will show you guys the finished product. But yum, 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 delicious. Babe, you want to say hi to the vlog? Because everybody thinks Joelle is in Canada for some reason. Everybody thinks Joelle is in Canada for some reason. Joelle is in Jamaica, okay? If he was here, you guys would know. Trust me. You're here, but you're on the phone.
Yeah, just getting at work.
Oh, yes. I'm so sorry. You're at work. You're at work. Okay. True, true, yeah. How's the cold treating you? Okay. How was the weather today? Okay. How was the weather today? It was cold in the morning?
Yeah.
Oh. You're in where?
That's the province.
Ontario. You're definitely not Canadian, my friend. Ontario. Ontario. You're from Toronto, man. Toronto. Joelle make post on Instagram the other day. Trick the crowd. Brother, people on my Instagram follow you on your Instagram. Oh, please. Somebody knows that me and you are touch. Nobody nothing know when you are feeling for. Nobody nothing know when you are going for. Your lyrics. Anyways, people, me show you what I'm done with my strawberry them. Just rinse them off. Can't really soak them. And then I'm going to dry them off with a paper towel. And I'll come back. I don't have much space left on my camera, so.
What's up?
Y'all do not mind my closet in the background. Oh my god, it's March 14th. Sade is getting induced. Oh my god. Baby K is coming, y'all. Like, oh my god, I can't. Oh my god, God is so good. Y'all, I'm about to be an auntie again. It's Monday, by the way. Hey. Hi guys, and welcome to Wednesday. I'm bombard. 1 second, battery dead. Well, I literally just I can't even talk. I literally just went through freaking 4 batteries. No, this is the 4th one. 3 batteries. They're all freaking dead. But anyways, hi and welcome to Wednesday of this week's weekly vlog. I am currently at home working, and I thought I would work with y'all or show y'all what I'm doing. I'm making some pajama sets, some custom. Oh my man, no can't go aya man. But yeah, I'm making some custom pajamas. Super cute, super cute. So yeah, I have to do that. I have to make some cups, and yeah, so I'm working on that right now. So work with me. Open your eyes, baby.
This is the piece that you cannot buy. Sign me a love that you cannot fix. One is the joy that you cannot fix, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the piece that you cannot buy. Sign it away where you cannot see. Mine with this system you cannot break. I need to find release.
Okay guys, I gotta go. Baby K called. Sorry guys, I had to talk to a baby K, but back now.
Them lyricals, bangs and ranks.
Ain't gonna be no other. We can love you like me, no. No undercover lover. No third party, just me and you. Show your tight, I can tell you, my girl.
Tell me and just me and we go. Everybody would have been know where you get it from. Everybody would have been know where you get it from.
Got sidetracked there a little bit, but yeah, I'm done. I was reading some comments. I realized the vlog went up. Yeah, so yeah, a vlog went up, birthday vlog. Hey, but yeah, I'm done. Birthday girls, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, all done. I love these for me. I love them. So I need to package those. Whoa. Yeah, so I need to package those. Oh my god, you guys, Shadi had her baby. I cannot freaking believe that baby K is here, and he is so little and cute. He's so little and cute. Exactly how I dreamed him, you guys, is exactly how he looks, except he's not as big as we thought he was gonna be. But Like in terms of like chunkiness. Like I just pictured Baby K to be like super like chunky. I just pictured him to be super chunky. But you know I go baby and them someday. And yeah, so anything can happen. You know, he's literally just like a day old. Literally just a day old. Yeah, I was just telling Day, I don't know how me hear my phone go off in the morning because almost 5:20 so much they call me. In the morning and tell me say Baby K is here. Unless he was a text, he's here. I'm like, what? Yeah. Take off the tag. Fold it in a way where fold it away where names are showing. Guys, it is Thursday. Yeah, Thursday, almost out of gas, but we move and we pivot and we hope that we don't run out of gas when I reach my destination on top of. But yeah, I'm about to go drop off an order. The order that you guys see me working on yesterday, I'm about to go drop that off. I should be there in 37 minutes. I should be getting there at 5:19. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my music. I'm gonna put on my music. Y'all, I'm in love with Shensea's album. Like, I don't know if Semi's a Shenyang, but Shenseea. I love it.
Why bugs from me left, give me just a glow. Me lifestyle change, me a fear now. You don't know what from your diss me and let you go then. Why you do drunk crow? Me have the type of pussy man bring pussy feelings so. Good style way sharper than splinter. Wanna allow me make me prosper. Now take your work from me get trapped. Anyone me left, me no take back. Me no recycle garbage under me frock. Me no bring back when me stop trap. You know I always lose me contact.
Tell me all night radio. Show me love like never before. Want it in my life, you know. Tell them, oh, mercy, please, I'm feeling you. Better you stick to me like glue. Want you back, me, I'll tell you the truth. Tell them, oh.
Just tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages now. Say, tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages, no more damages.
Yo, I gotta pee so bad. Like, I don't know what is wrong with me. I went home and I peed 3 times. I was only home for 20 minutes. I peed 3 times and I have to pee again? Oh my god.
Ooh, 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 ooh,
Red light camera hit.
What is it? This is the peace that you cannot buy. Find me in love that you cannot fix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Mind with this is if you cannot break. I need to find release. I might be falling, yeah.
Here. living my best life. I don't know, 30 definitely is golden years. Definitely golden years. I did not know, but baby, love it here.
Gotta get it all done, there ain't no competition when you're in it.
Wow! Hey, Balenciaga, public structure. Who them can push get it up? Hey, hey. If you never watch my Jamaican vlog, then go watch them. No! What? Hey!
Coming from the West Indies, and you know, so we giving them the best indeed. Anyway, we there, we do a flex on street, and decide what we do no matter X and beat. And then talking about a question me, and you try never look in my direction, G. New bank grab and no relax on beat. Oh, coming from the same concrete, yeah.
Having the time of my life.
10 kilometers, turn right onto Castlemar Road.
Yo, so there's a car in front of me, right? It's a van. One gold Dodge van. Yeah? I don't know if I ball out the license plate, but me I gotta put it on here just for my sake. People, it look like one man in I back at the van. But he not have no shirt. Me can't see him bottom, but he not have no shirt. So it's looking kind of suspicious. It's looking suspicious. Alright, but the car going in front of me. Go on Escalade. Go on Escalade. Go on Escalade. You go on. Go on. You be witness, not me. My hard cam emergency. Oh shit, I'm gone. Come out of lane, people. I'm behind it again to backside. Alright, hold on. Don't move off. See the man slow down, you know, for looking there, you know. It's looking suspicious. The Escalade did slow down, you know, beside it, people. Oh my god. And them a drive fast now. People? Go on, hold my speed limit, yeah? Hold my speed limit. They're going to Brampton. That's all I'm saying on this, just in case I get an Amber Alert on my phone. Can witness, be a witness to all this foolishness that is keeping treasons. But not even looking for like them green. I'm so nervous. People me easy for frightened, you know? Easy for frightened bad. I hate that. Suspicious. Nobody else know really what I'm going on. Nobody else not paying no eye. You can't really see it. Is it true me they behind it and I can't see movement? Alright, I'm gone. I'm gone in front of somebody else. Alright, cool. Go on, yeah. Probably see somebody I talk to somebody. Oh Jesus. See, you know them go, God cover me. Anyways, people, I'm gonna go back and listen to some song. Me no listen already.
Shenseea.
Morning, guys, and happy Friday. Currently in the drive-thru. I'm currently in the drive-thru. Here, listen to my voice, y'all. I'm so freaking tired. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable how tired I am, man. Yeah. My battery died yesterday. That's why we're at a new day. But it's Friday, as I said. Heading to work. I'm late. It's 8:37. I should be at work at 8:30. It's 8:37. I'm in the drive-thru line. Can't go work and have enough consume. And yeah, but again, as I said, ended up delivering the order yesterday. Gave the girl some extra stuff just because it was a order that it was a big, like, oh my god, I felt so bad about everything, how everything transpired. So yeah, I had to nice her up for her birthday or whatever, but she was super happy. Even with her balance, she was just like, keep it. I'm like, nah girl, I'm sending it. So I gotta do that when I get to work as well. I also have to pay my phone bill when I go to work. Yeah, it's Friday, it's payday for my people. We get paid already. My paydays are Thursdays. I love that. I love that for me. What else do I have to do? My friend comes back today, so I have to go pick her up, drive myself home, or let her, well yeah, drive myself home and give her back her car. And come on. Okay. And what else, y'all? I'm tired. For the last 2 nights straight, I've been up working till about 12:30. So I'm not really getting that much sleep. And then as soon as I lock my eye, I swear to you, I hear my alarm. So I'm running on like not that much hours of sleep. So I'm really excited that tomorrow, or that it's the weekend. I feel like I want to do my hair tomorrow, go and take some pictures. Where, I don't know, but I feel like I want to go and take some pictures tomorrow. I feel like I want to be productive. Outside is nice, so I feel like there's like a field near my house. I feel like I want to go and probably just find somewhere and take some pictures if I possibly can. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out, but I want to go take some pictures. I don't even know if I have clothes to take pictures, but we shall see and we shall move. Yeah. So yeah, just trying to be productive, like on the days that I'm not busy. You know, I don't really have that much orders. I do have an order that's due next week, but it's nothing difficult. Good morning.
Sorry, bacon breakfast?
Yes.
670, ma'am. There you go. Have a good day. Thank
Can I get a straw, please?
you. Sorry?
Can I have a straw, please?
Straw? There you go.
Boy. Thank you. Oh, not me showing my card information. Ain't no money on there anyways, people, so go on, try. Start with $1, see if you're lucky. But y'all, it's been so nice. Well, let me not say it's been. Yesterday was nice. Today looks like it's gonna also be a nice day. Don't know what the weather is going to permit, but I am loving this. Spring is like fighting back, and I'm here for it, sis. I'm here for it. Fight back, spring. Fight back. I'm so happy. I was just saying to myself, like, I survived a winter, because winter 2021, I was not here for it at all. I didn't see it, smell it, touch it, taste it. Nuh-uh. Breathe, nothing. Well, I said smell, right? Yeah, anyways, yeah. So yeah, survived the winter. Wasn't as bad. We had a major snowstorm, like major. I think we got like 60 centimeters of snow. I looked outside and I was like, hell no. Jesus. Like, how do we have potholes in foreign? Make it make sense. Anyways, people, I am about to reach work. I will check in with y'all at lunch, because I didn't bring any lunch. Although I don't have to go outside, I can order, but I want Greek. I meant to get it yesterday. Didn't end up getting it yesterday. So I'm gonna hope that I can get it today. The text messages are coming in already. It's Friday. Where's my money? Where's my pay? I don't see it yet. I don't see my pay. Oh my god. Oh, my boss is here. It's 8:43. 8:45 is the latest my ass will get here. Like, that's acceptable to me. As long as it's before 9. So, yep. Reach my destination. I was gonna say, and I hope y'all have an amazing day. Can I use my soft Let's have an amazing day. I think I might take her car to the car wash. I just have to confirm with her if she takes it to the automatic ones, because you know everyone and their cars, they're specific. Some people don't like them, some people do. I'm gonna go do the people at work. I have a lot of computer stuff to do, so I will catch you guys again, as I said, at lunch. Hi guys, and welcome to lunch. Hey! Hi guys, welcome to lunch. I'm about to go get my Greek. It's 12:30 on the dot. And it's Friday, so it's the busiest day. But we are yeah, so normally after 12 o'clock is like the rush. Everyone starts coming in for their pays and stuff on their lunch breaks and stuff like that. So if I don't get something to eat between 12 and 1, I can forget about it, especially if I order something. Because even if I order something, like, my food just now will come in like a reasonable time. I think last week I ate at like 3:18 and I'm supposed to leave work at 3:30. So that's just kind of a little synopsis of how it goes. But yeah, we move. Anyways.
Already now, stress now, we're so we take it off. See what I clear in them gone, so I don't hear when them talk.
Gang, look how long me have been send me look a credit and you go like you don't want answer. You feel me? I forgot your phone, dirty boy.
Second in the city, she have syphilis. Small ship sailing in the Pacific. 12 furlong, she's up on this. Shot in every time you like span this. You got the courage in our waist. Pretty face, I'm a dead for days. Be a face, try eyes, she's staying. Ring the bird in the time, you must be in her.
Yeah, y'all come on up with talk about this. Oh, you should cock up in a cheap country. Say you have a man and him not tell you about this. Buy a couple jars and couple roast twists. This a girl in the city, she not have syphilis. Small ship sailing in the Pacific. 12 furlong, make you suck on this. Shot in every time you like span this. Yo, got no fats. From me left you, me just a glow. Me lifestyle change, me happy I know.
Guys, reached my destination. Sorry, I was on Instagram, but I reached my destination. This is where I'm at for lunch, y'all. I get my best Greek food here. If you guys know anywhere else, comment down below. Let me know. I'm probably like the ghettoist, you know. But is it not Jimmy the Greek? I think it's El Greco. I can't remember, but I love it here. When I get my food, I'll come back and show you guys. But yeah, go other people and food coming up on lunch break. Bye. Guys, my boss just went out, so I can show you guys really quickly what I bought. I've never showed you guys my Greek dinners. Joel's always like, oh, the chicken look burnt up. I'm like, it's not burnt, but they grill it afterwards, you know what I mean? But anyways, souvlaki dinner, rice, potato, and a Greek salad. Yum, 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 yum. Anyways, I'm back at work, so bye.